Welcome to HydraGon Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about staking Hydra using the official staking platform. To start staking Hydra, use your browser to open the address stake.hydrachain.org. You will begin on the delegation page, where you can see current staking data and a list of available validators. The first step is to connect a Hydra wallet to the staking platform. In this example, we'll be using the MetaMask wallet. After connecting your wallet, choose any validator from the list and click on the action icon. To start a new delegated position with the validator you've selected, set the amount of Hydra you wish to stake and press the delegate button. If you want to vest your position for a specific period of time, activate the slider button and enter the number of weeks you wish to vest. Remember, the longer the period, the better the rewards. You can view the potential annual percentage rate for the selected number of weeks. You can also see how much Hydra you'll receive for opening this particular position. Click the delegate button to start your vested position.